I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you for watching. Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do EVS 1, chapter 21, Management of Community Life. What is management? Management is to prepare an outline of how and when to work. It is prescribing the task assigned to each person in the group. It is preparation of estimate of expenditure in advance. Remember, needs for management. Some management is required to do any kind of work smoothly. For a group, allocation of work to each person has to be decided. There is a need for coordination. Each person must do the assigned work properly. Some management is required for running a house, a school, a town, a district, a state, and the country. Let us learn in detail. Management of class. How we can manage in the class. The tasks involved in management of the classroom are proper cleaning of classroom and board, availability of chalks and duster, regular writing of good thoughts on the school board. Checking these things regularly and maintaining discipline in the classroom are the responsibilities of the class representative. Next is management of school. The school management committee is formed to run the affairs of the school smoothly. It consists of parents, teachers, representatives of students, and local experts. It understands and solves the difficulties of parents, students, and teachers. It prepares school development plan. It ensures regular attendance of the student and the teachers. It helps in implementing schemes such as midday meal. Next is observance of rules. What we can do, how we can observe the rules. School begins at a fixed time and there is a timetable for all the subjects. Vehicles run on the left side of the road. Rules guides us how to behave in society. The rules ensure that everyone will behave in a particular manner in society. Let us learn the nature of rules. Customs and traditions were the basic of rules in earlier times. The government makes rules in the present time. A constitution was framed for our country after independence. The constitution provides the basic framework for governing the country. The elected representatives run the country according to the rules. And at the last, local government. The local administration is run by the local government bodies. The local government provides many facilities that people need. The representatives elected by the people attend to the local needs. The functions of the local government include street light, provision for drinking water, schools, hospitals, public parks, and roads. To elaborate, let us do some exercise related to this chapter. Fill in the blanks. Dash is necessary to do any work. Management. Dash must be maintained among the people involved. Coordination. People elect their dash to the local government body. Representatives. Some more exercises. Answer in one sentence. What is the first step in management? The first step in management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work is to be done. Next, why are rules made? Rules are made to ensure that community life can go on smooth and orderly manner. State true or false. Even if one person makes a mistake or is slack in his job, still the work gets completed properly. It is false. The work gets completed smoothly if all things are done properly. It is true. The drivers have freedom to drive their car on any side. It is false. Give reasons. Every school has fixed timing and timetable. Just elaborate your answer. The students would come to school at the prescribed time. They would bring the required textbooks and notebooks according to the given timetable. Therefore, every school has fixed timing and timetable. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you for watching.